So this is the Ashland Caboose. We're going to go and look inside it. This is right outside the municipal parking lot in Ashland, Virginia. Here's some of the history of it. A woman in Fluvanna County bought it in 1997. Is made by Chesapeake and Ohio Railway. I mean, you can just read the whole thing if you pause the video. But basically, they took something that was out of commission and was in service about 50 years ago, and they tried to restore it the best they could, and it ended up as a display for the public in Ashland. Let's walk up here. There is a little ramp up here to go see inside. And there are quite a few sites in Ashland that are kind of railway related. That's what the town is known for. So we get a little peek inside there. Here's some kind of historic pictures of it. Very interesting, the top too, I noticed. I wonder if someone actually sat up inside there and saw the sights like they had. I'm not a conductor, but I don't know what they'd call someone in the rear caboose that communicates to the front. Let's see. They got a little door back here where we can see a little better inside. So that's what it looks like inside. It is locked, so I see some pamphlets and brochures. I don't know how you actually get inside here, but that is the caboose in Ashland.